Good morning all of you. Today our topic is Kohombayak Kankariya. Information about this is brought to you. DD 19094 BT Vimsara Tilakaratna, DD 19101 Hiruni Pumika, DD 19099 DMC Tenakon, DD 19126 Masha Diriti Kavisha, DD 19085 Vatsala Mudshika, DD 19105 Sampini Dileka. Okay, what is this Kohombayak Kankari? Among three local dance traditions of Sri Lanka, the Kandyan dance tradition holds a special place. This Kandyan dance tradition is split in area like Satkoralaya, Satrikoralaya, Kandy, Dumbara, Hewahata, Harispattur. In this area, Kohombayak Kankari Shanti Karma is performed. The best Shanti Karma of the Kandyan dance tradition is Kohombayak Kankariya. This is a form of pacification performed for God based on offering. As the deities worshipped in Kandyan Kohombayak Kankariya, many can be included: Lord Kohomba, Lord Ilgal Bandara, Lord Kande Bandara, Lord Uduveliya, Lord Vadiyamu, Mahaguru and Kudaguru.
I am DD 19101. I have to present about history of Kohomba Kankariya. Shanti Karma is often performed to ward off and recover from diseases, elements, etc. Kohomba Kankariya is a complex yet fascinating craft held in Satrakoralaya, Satkoralaya, Hewahata, Udunuwara, Yatinuwara, Hathadumbara. Setpatha is held in the village to prevent a drought. The gods and goddesses of Sri Lanka are divided into two parts. The gods and goddesses directly related to Buddhism, Christianity and Hinduism, and the gods and goddesses that are related to the traditional beliefs of the villagers. Among these gods and goddesses who bring set peace and a group of gods and goddesses who inflict torture and diseases hazards. In addition, there are gods and represent both these aspects. God Kohomba is an example of that. Kohomba Kankariya, Kohombayak is a Yagostava held on the subject of God Kohomba. This is a Shanti Karma is that it is unique to the central highly region of Sri Lanka. Some legends about the birth of God Kohomba. One side is that it is called Kohombayaka because it is superseded by the Kohomba tree. It is said that Dambadiva formed a love relationship between Princess Chandrakami, the daughter of King Indra, and Padmavati of Varanasi and Suramba, the son of King Kindra and Mayavati of Kalyaguru, and Princess Chandrakami, who because pregnant Suramba gave birth to son under a Kohomba tree in a forest on the way secretly with Suramba. After this, according to legends, the beginning of Kohomba Kankariya dates back to the time of Panduwa's Niridu. Popular belief is that King Vijaya died due to a curse from Kuveniya. King Panduvas, who became the king after that, had a life defeat due to the same curse. The fear caused by seeing a leopard in a dream is thus called Dividoshaya. Shakra Devendra assigned Rahu Asura to bring the king of flowers born from the lively flowers to remove the curses of Panduwa's Niridu. The demon Rahu disguised himself as a pig and started destroying the garden of King Male. The king of flowers chases to war with 12 devils. The pig crossed the sea and brought this group to Lagdi. After arriving at Lagdi, the king's arrow struck the pig and turned it to stone. That's when King Malaya realized that this is God's plan. The king of Malaya brought two people from Madura and built a theatre in Mahamevuna garden named Nandana in Upatissa and performed the Jatukarma with festivity. Pandu's Niridu's life's problems disappeared. It was said that the first festival should be held in a sheet discovered with the gods and silver reeds for 7 days as Valyak festival, 1 day as Komba festival. Thank you.
I am going to give you some idea about the objectives of conducting the Kombayak Kankari. First, let us focus on the past objectives of conducting the Kombayak Kankari. Obtaining a fertile harvest can be pointed out as the first objective. The second purpose is to protect the crop from crop damage in the coming zone. Also, in the past, Kombayak Kankari has been held to get prosperity, to protect cattle resources, to bring prosperity to the village, province and country, and also for entertainment. In rural areas, Kombayak Kankari is performed keeping in mind the goals of the past. But nowadays, with the support of the government and other institutions for the preservation of the Shanti Karma as a local heritage. Also, when some calamity happens to the country and the nation, this Shanti Karma is done nowadays to find peace, to active the educational goals at the university level and also for entertainment.
The ritual of Komba Kankari. There are 3 pre-prepared situations. Preparatory situations, ritual before Kankari Day rituals. Preparatory situations, Agahas, reservation, tree trimming, planting, cuttings. Rituals before Kankari Day, making the shedding, potting, the arrival of jewelry, fertilization, points of Manpuri. Kankari Day rituals are mainly 3 parts. Morning rituals, afternoon rituals, midnight puja. Morning rituals are cooking, growing up, Malayalam poetry. Afternoon rituals are wedding drumming, dancing devils, 7 verses dance, wild dance, donation of fruit wine. Midnight puja, growing up, wedding drumming, Komba held.
Dance performances and theatrical performances. When talking about the dances and drama of the Komba Kankari Shanti Karma as its dances, Yak Anuma, Avanduma, Asne Natima, Hatpadaya, Komba Hella, Madupuraya, Devakol Paduva, Dunimala Pur. As drama as Muruge Malava, Yakka Paha, Kata Paha, Dana Paha, Gabada Kolle can be mentioned as Yak Anuma is considered to be the first dance form here. Yak is defined as Yak and Anuma means bringing all the dancers participating in Shanti Karma dance. For this dance, this is a dance without singing. Avanduma dance can also be considered as a unique dance. Avanduma means Atvanduma. All the dancers participate in this dance and it is a dance without singing. The Pada dance consists of the 7 padas, that is contains Bulat Padaya, Kotala Padaya, Bol Padaya, Dummala Padaya, Mal Padaya, Yahamutti Padaya, Salu Padaya. Thus, some dances can be mentioned. Guruge Malava is considered to be the first play in the Kohamba Kankari Shanti Karma. This dramatization event has 2 parts. The first part of it is characterized by Natyama and the second part is performed in advance of the Pujartha. As the Yakkam Paha, Ura Yakkama, Vedi Yakkama, Naya Yakkama, Darshana Yakkama, Sita Yakkama. As the Katha Paha, Panduwas Katava, Vijaya Raja Katava, Hueni Katava, Malay Raja Katava. As the Dana Paha, Uru Danaya, Palavana Danaya, Vedi Danaya, Divi Danaya, Surabhi Danaya. Other cases can be mentioned. Dramatic demonstration have several purposes. Elementary monotony, entertainment, affirmation of the religious belief, seeing blessing. Thank you.
I am DD 19105. I have to present about importance of performing the Kohamba Kankari and this what is the special features in that Shanti Karma. First of all, I would like to talk about what are the importance of performing in the Kohamba Kankari. Number 1 is, this is the main and colorful things in the Kandyan dance. They use their special vest costume for the Kohamba Kankari, and also there are dancing movements, singing movements and dramatic movements use their Kankari. In the fast, we can see they organize that Shanti Karma for the protection about diseases. They are main, special and important thing in Kohamba Kankari. In the addition, we can see another thing about that present in the Kohamba Kankari. Now we can see about special features in Kohamba Kankari. Only male dancers participate to everything. As an example, Avanduma, Asne, Kotalapade. Preparing for the since month ago. It is the special features. Main costume is vest costume. That was the special features in Kohamba Kankari. Everything is connected with legend. As an example, Avanduma and Yakanuma. There are a lot of rituals and dance in here. These are the special features in Kohamba Kankari.